Hello everyone, this is Mrs. Welkenbach and of course her trusty companion Bing, your student teacher. We're here to let you know that if you're starting to see your calendar at home on Focus populate with some new material, don't get confused. There's a reason why that is happening. According to the Brevard Board of Education, they're requiring that all teachers, like myself, start populating your calendars with assignments that you're supposed to be doing on a regular basis. So, for example, today you might have seen on your calendar something like Day 1, continue to read Persons Unknown from In Cold Blood. Day 2, read and work on your journal. Day 3, continue to read Persons Unknown, something to that effect. Now, it might not say work on your journals yet because that time hasn't really quite arrived. So as you get closer to those days, what I'll be populating it with is work on your journal, work on personal assessment questions, work on the quote quizzes, whatever due dates are coming up. I'm going to start adding that to your Focus calendars so that you know what's coming up and you know what's due. My advice, though, is still to follow the guidelines on Google Classroom and follow the due dates that are on Google Classroom. The calendar on Focus sort of acts like an agenda, so you can see when the due dates are coming up, and your parents can sort of see what you should be doing on a daily basis in case they're wondering or what have you at home. I know this is kind of a real struggle for all of us, but hang in there, guys. This is only day 2. It's bound to get easier from here. I do very much miss seeing all of you. As fun as it is to hang out with Bing, and I do love my little Poochie, I do miss seeing all of you guys. So if you have any questions or comments or want to shoot me an email about something that you're unsure of, please don't hesitate to do so. That's what I love to do. That's why I became a teacher in the first place. So just know that I'm here and I'm available, and that's what I love to do. So hopefully you and your families are staying healthy and you're all happy and doing the best you can. So I'll talk to you soon. Have a great week, guys. This is Mrs. Welkenbach and Bing signing out for yet another fun-filled day. Bye.